Welcome to Education Lifeline. This is Tibro Paul, and today we will be introducing the topic of functions. First of all, what is a function? A function is a relation from a set of inputs to a set of possible outputs where each input is related to exactly one output. In other words, a function takes an input and produces an output. It is essential to remember that each input in a function has exactly one output. A function can look anything like the first diagram, but it cannot look like the second. This is because in the second one, there are two outputs for the one input. In this case, there should not be two lines coming from one input. On the coordinate plane, you can use the vertical line test to determine whether the graph represents a function. For the vertical line test, imagine a vertical line go across the coordinate plane. If two or more points intersect the vertical line, this means that there are two more values of y for one value of x. Therefore, the graph cannot be a function. Here, the first graph is a function because there are exactly one y value for each x value. However, the second graph is not a function as can be seen due to the vertical line test. Now, function notation is used to represent functions. Here is an example of function notation. This reads f of x is equal to 3x minus 1. You can think of the term f of x as equivalent to y. Function notation uses the name of the function, the input, and then the output. You can plug any values in for x to get a different value of f of x. If this video was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to Education Lifeline. Be sure to watch our other videos on functions and check the description below for other helpful resources. Thanks for watching.